In this video, you are going to see how to edit shapes in Microsoft Word document. Let us go to Insert, go to Shape. Let us pick a rounded corner rectangle shape and drag it over here like this. If you want to adjust the height, click on over here, go to Shape Format. You can adjust the height and width from here very easily. Click on Enter. Then the height and width will be adjusted. If you want to change the fill color, you can change it from here. If you want to add the border, click on over here, go to Shape Outline. You can adjust the outline color. Even you can add the no outline color. Now if you want to edit it, if you want to change the roundness, here you will find a yellow dot. You can adjust it like this. Even you can click on right button and click on edit points. You can edit the points like this and you can adjust it in your own style. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.